and talk about Temp-tations.
Okay.
Hi, Tara Tesher.
Hello there, David Venable.
Hey, how many
Hello,
gone
everyone.
already? Already 400 of these are
Ooh,
gone.
thank you.
And Miss Tara
Yes.
would like to take the lid off of 2 of these.
Okay. See how you vented that lid?
Yes, I just burped it a little bit.
Yep.
Listen, my friends. Because at first glance, when you look at these, and when I saw them over there with Stacy when she was mentioning them,
Yeah.
if you didn't know better, you might think they were plastic.
Yep.
Because you know what? So many things are in this day and age. These
Our glass.
are glass. Now, the containers are glass. The lids are plastic.
They are.
And thanks to this wonderful little seal,
Yes.
these are airtight, watertight?
They are, which is amazing, just from that vented finial that I'll show you in a minute with the silicone. And that's the difference between our glass and other glass out there. So, you know, I've been sharing stoneware for the last 17 years. What I loved about glass, and people ask me all the time, what is it about this glass? I love the technology that's involved in the glass itself. It still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees.
Right.
You can still put the glass in the microwave. Don't put the lid in there. You can still put it in the fridge. You can still put it in the freezer. And the best part, even with the decoration, you can still put it in the dishwasher. So when I checked all of those boxes, sign me up. This is a glass line I would love to incorporate in everything else we've been sharing with you.
Well, this, like everything in our 5-hour show today, Miss Tara, is on 6 pay.
Amazing.
Which is unbelievable. So you're looking at 6 payments here of $5.82. That easy pay will go away end of day today. You're getting 3 containers here, each with their airtight, watertight seal.
That's right.
But there's also a little vent
There
on
is.
the top. Let's talk about
This
that.
is the technology. So first of all, there's your silicone seal. That's what's going to keep freshness in. That's your airtight, watertight system. Your vented finial, this is the technology. When you want to go ahead and pull that and break that seal, you're just going to pull that up a little bit. When you push down, you hear that air release out. When you push that finial down, you can no longer get that top off until you go ahead and pop that. 2 cup is going to be your smallest. 6.5 cup is going to be your medium. This is going to double as your loaf pan. And then your largest one is going to be 12.5 cup capacity. So total cup capacity, 21 cups, the largest we've ever done in any of our glass. And you have been asking for the rectangular shape, and we have them.
Now,
I love this
700 sets
Love
are
it.
gone. Now, this is the Harvest.
Yes, gorgeous.
I have 500 in the Harvest.
Woo.
From Harvest, we go to Boo Fetty.
Fetty.
All right, so here's your Boo Fetty.
Yeah, I was going to
Probably
say, if
better
we
to
can
shoot these down low, guys. There we go.
Thank you.
Perfect. And then 800 in the Boo Fetty. Here it is in Old World Green. Actually, these are classic.
I was just going to say, can I interrupt you? Don't have to choose.
Yeah, you're not choosing at all. This incorporates both Old World and floral lace. So here's the green. Here is your red. Here's the cranberry. And then I've got it for you in
The confetti.
Confetti,
Love.
thank you. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see that confetti flower. There we are. Now, down below, I've got it for you in purple. No, eggplant rather. Then the black. Have it here in brown. And then the blue. You will get 3 containers. Tara, the largest container?
Is 12.5 cups.
Middle-sized container?
Is 6.5 cups.
And top container?
Is 2 cups. We're showing you that loaf pan size, that 6.5 cup.
Can I bake in these glass pieces?
You can bake in these up to 500 degrees, which is amazing.
Can they go into the broiler?
You can put them in the broiler. Here's what I love about our glass. It goes right from the oven to your table. So you're prepping in here, you're cooking in here, put it in your fridge, put it in your freezer, put it in your microwave. Just don't put that lid in. The lid is BPA free. Your Oster tabletop ovens, everything is perfect. And here's the one thing, the dishwasher, the best part, that we will never be able to do with Temp-tations or stoneware in general, and that's give you an airtight seal. Because with stoneware, it shrinks and shrinks and expands when it's being fired. With your glass, it's always the same. With your lid, it's always the same. So when I push down, you can actually pop that vent and hear that freshness. You want to make sure, now look, I can take that. Now all of my baked goods, everything's going to stay nice and fresh because just by popping that, now I can go ahead and get the lid off. When I push down and take all that air out, now I can't get the lid off. It's amazing.
It is really extraordinary. $34.92. Yes, it's on Easy Pay. 6 payments of $5.82. And now how many gone? 1,400
Thank you,
are now
everybody.
gone.
Brand new today.
Now, remember, brand spanking new. You can go into the microwave with these. Just don't
Yes.
put the lids on top.
Yes.
And you can also go into the oven with this, so you can do that up to 500 degrees, but again, no lids in the oven.
That's right. So when you want to keep the freshness, you know, David and I joke, when you hear that air come out, that's the sound of freshness. I love the fact that now you have, again, if you have leftovers and you want that airtight and watertight in your fridge or your freezer, these are the pieces you're going to want to use, but you're not sacrificing any of the Temp-tation story because, David, they're still going everywhere you want them to go, from your oven up to 500 degrees, your microwave, your dishwasher to clean, your fridge, and your freezer.
What's
They're
this
just
dish?
decorative. Mushroom soup.
I thought it was mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup.
Fantastic.
So all of your baked goods are going to stay fresher longer. Get those boxes, those cardboard boxes and all of those bags, get it out of there and get it into your freshness containers. And they're cute and they're pretty.
Hey, Stacy Lou.
Uh-oh.
Can you bring your phone over, because I need to take a funny picture with these little Halloween
Oh,
cookies.
got
oh,
it.
with the Halloween cookies.
I think these are amazing.
Oh,
and we'll
thank
use
you.
this closer to Halloween.
I'm going to go to the fridge while you're taking
You do that.
for your photo op.
Stacy, come in a little closer.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Our
One
sound
more.
effects
Gotta get close
included.
up. Close up. 1, 2, 3.
Coming to Instagram near you.
Oh,
All right.
But the sound effects are extra,
All right.
again.
Exactly.
The other thing, I know we'll go over to colors in just a sec. I love the portability of these. I love that this is your fruit that you're taking in the morning with your granola that you want to have for breakfast, and then your salad. Look how great these are. Store them in the fridge. And again, no scent, because everything's going to stay airtight and watertight.
Now, how many gone, Sean?
And
2,200
did I
sets are
mention they
gone.
nest?
And they nest beautifully. When you take those lids off, they're going to nest right inside one another.
Yep, which is so great. So when you're thinking about storage, remember 2 cups. Your middle size is going to be 6.5 cups. It's going to double as your loaf pan.
And they store with their lids.
And they do. And then your largest one is going to be your 12.5 cup. So all together, 21 cup capacity in 3 great useful pieces.
Glad you did the math. Okay, here
Carry
it is.
the one.
Carry the one. Here it is in Harvest.
Love.
Oh, gone.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Okay.
Do we have
Harvest is
another
gone.
set? Maureen was grabbing me another set somewhere.
we are, my
so
dear. Thank
we'll
you,
show you
Brianna.
in just a minute.
Okay. Boo Fetty.
Boo.
$6.50, and I'm going to stand out from these so you can actually see the patterns there. There's Buffetti. This one is the green. Then I've got it for you in the red. Here is the cranberry, 800 cranberry. This is confetti,
Love.
$7.50 in the confetti.
say that every
Down
time.
below is eggplant, 800. Beside that is the black, 700. Then the brown is available, and finally the blue.
The blue.
Blue is available. All right, so let's grab your confetti.
May I borrow? Ooh, look at you.
And
It's as
there's
if
your
we've done this
complete
before.
set once or twice. There's your complete
There's
set.
your complete set. Again, everything's going to nest down. And I want to show you on the front ledge some of the things maybe you're not thinking about. The fact that you can bake in these. First of all, I think they're great to bake something and leave that behind. So that cake in the middle, yep, you guessed it. We baked it in our 3 sizes, our 12.5 cup, our 6.5 cup, and our 2 cup. And
And
look
then
at that.
stacked it.
And then we stacked it. And when we say we, I mean Maureen and our amazing food stylist team. But that becomes the tradition that we've been talking about. I love that. I know Stacy said a lot of people are asking in the chat about the linens. They're ours, so you can check those out on QVC.com.
I just had a brainstorm which
Tell
would
me.
account for the smoke coming out of my ears.
I smelled something.
Yeah, right? Something was burning. What if you did a meatloaf in here
Yes.
and you frosted it, wait, with mashed potatoes?
Is that a trick question? That sounds amazing.
And then you warm your gravy in
yes.
the smallest one.
Yes.
Bang.
I'm telling you, these pieces, we always say about Temp-tations, you're not going to get it till you get it. Once you get home and start using the technology of that vented lid and the freshness factor with, of course, the beautiful patterns that you've been collecting for over 17 years, that's why I think this is just a win-win.
You could do a fun shepherd's pie in here as well.
You could do a fun shepherd's
in the largest
pie.
container.
You
It would be
could.
really nice. Really
you
fun.
could.
So don't miss out on these. These are really, and one thing that Tara made an absolute
hello.
mission of this company when she started it was that every piece that she would bring would have multiple uses.
That's right.
Right?
You're absolutely right.
Because nothing in your kitchen should do only one job. It should do multiple jobs.
We call it magical transformation.
Well, that too.
Yes.
So here's a look at this gorgeous baked ziti.
Yes.
Really, really nice. And this capacity you said is 12 and a half cups.
21 cup capacity. It's the largest set, and I know the Harvest has sold out, but you've been asking for, again, a larger pieces and the rectangular shape. So you have that, and you have the airtight, watertight seal, which we'll never be able to get with our stoneware.
Easily feed 4 people right there.
Well, easily. Or you.
Or one David Venable.
I knew that
Yeah.
was going to happen.
Hey, can I tell you now we've taken orders for 3,500, and this is confetti. I have 600 left. The buffetti, rather.
Boo.
500 in the buffetti.
Love
Here's
it.
the green, here's the red, and here's the cranberry. From there, we go down to eggplant. From eggplant to the black. From black to brown. And from brown to blue.
And there, all of your lids have that beautiful jewel tone, all BPA free. And the glass, yes, 500 degrees in your oven and in your dishwasher when you want to clean it.
All right. When we come back, we have something new from, say that one more time. Family Farm.
Ooh, yes,